What's up, y'all? It's your boy Manny, aka Locorican Reacts, and today I was trying to search to see if I could find the music video from RM. It looks like the only music video that he has, from my knowledge, from his Mono mixtape, which is the only one I've listened to so far, because I know I still have to check out his self-titled RM, is Forever Rain. I hope this is actual music video. It looks to be, I think, and I feel like I have to do this. And it's because I've watched music videos for J-Hope and August D, so I have to do RM now. So let's go see if this is an actual music video or not. It's about to be a drawn music video, huh? And this is such a beautiful song too. Does this have lyrics? Oh, it has captions. Yes, that's what I meant. Not lyrics. I mean, same thing, but... Alright.
하루 종일 비가 왔으면 좋겠어. 누가 나 대신에 좀 울어줬으면 해서. Yeah, 종일 비가 왔으면 좋겠어. 그럼 사람들이 날 쳐다보질 않았어. Yeah, 우산이 슬픈 얼굴 가려주니까. 빗속에서 사람들도 저마다 바쁘니까. 좀만 느리게 숨 쉴래. 평소엔 내 삶도 내 랩도 너무 빠르니까. 지금 모든 게 저 위치로 하늘에 나의 그림자가 비치고. 난
I want to know how long this took, because the amount of detail they put into this too.
Slow rap, slow jam, slow rain, everything slow. Forever.
If I'm not mistaken, this is the song that I walked out my car on. Yep, I think it was that part right there.
비가 오면 조금은 나 친구가 있다는 기분이 들어. 자꾸 내 창문들을 두드려 잘 지내냐면서 안부를 물어. And I answer 난 여전히 삶의 인질. 죽지 못해 살진 않지만 뭔가에 묶여있지. 나도 너처럼 어딘가 두드릴 수만 있다면 온 세상에 진하게 입 맞출 수 있다면 그 누군가 나를 맞아줄까. 내 고된 몸을 어쩜 받아줄까. 제발 아무것도 묻지마. 그냥 영원히 내려줘. 네가 내리면 외롭지 않아. 너라도 내 곁에 있어줘. 잿빛 세상에서 살고 싶어. 영원 따위 없는 걸 알고 있어. Slow rap, slow jam, slow rain, everything slow.
Like the visuals
when it
too.
Rains,
Man,
it pours. When it rains, it pours. It pours. Forever.
This song is sad and beautiful at the same time. Like, man. This is making me think about that reaction. What was it? All last week, I listened to this mixtape or playlist. I think you referred to this as a playlist. beautiful. Hold on, let me... Oh, it's just a lyric music video. I was about to say, bro, if he has a music video for this song, it's done. I'm reacting to it, but that's just a lyric video. I love all that detail that they had with all the drawings in that music video for Forever Rain. And I mean, I've already looked at the lyrics prior to this music video. Like I've seen the lyrics a while ago, but seeing them again, it hits different, you know. Like when I first did my reaction to it, I was blown away. I mean, as y'all saw in the reaction. If you haven't seen it, I'll try to remember to put it in the description down below, or I'll put it on top somewhere. I think it goes over here. You know that little drop down that comes at the top right, and when you click on it, it takes you to a whole nother video. I'll try to do one of those for my reaction to Mono playlist reaction from RM. Let me know what you guys thought about the music video that RM had for Forever Rain in the comment section down below. Also, if you guys enjoyed my reaction to Forever Rain, that like button, and I'll catch y'all in the next reaction.